Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to a quick little announcement here on Forgotten Weapons. The short version is virtually everything in the Forgotten Weapons merchandise shop is 35% off, which is a pretty significant discount. So if there's anything that you've been considering wanting, or if you just haven't ever taken a look at that shop, this would be a good time to go take a look, find something cool, and snag it before everything's sold out. Now, the reason for this is that I've been working with two different companies to do various different types of merchandise for a little while now. One of them is a company called Warren James, and one of them is Varusteleka, my good friends in Finland. Warren James is massively scaling back their merchandise supply side of their business, and they called me up 2 days before Christmas to let me know that they were letting me go as a client. So in order to essentially clear out their inventory of merchandise, we are marking it off substantially. And going forward, all of my new merchandise will be coming through Varusteleka, which frankly I'm pretty excited about because they have some really cool stuff and they're good friends of mine. It's not just a commercial relationship, it really is a long-standing friendship. So for the time being, essentially for as long as things last, as long as there's anything in inventory, all the stuff at shop.forgottenweapons.com is 35% off. We've got some outdoor utility shirts, long sleeve utility shirts. We've got quarter zip pullovers. We've got some really cool rocks glasses. They're a rocks glass with a Forgotten Weapons logo and a bullet embedded in the glass. I really like those, honestly. I actually had one of those unbranded before we realized it was something that we could do as merchandise, so those are cool. We have long sleeve moisture wicking hooded shirts. Now, January is probably not the best time to be advertising lightweight moisture wicking apparel, but if you live somewhere hot or hot and humid, like the southwestern US or the southeastern US, these things are really slick for summer, especially summer at the range. They protect from the sun. I wore one of these things through a bunch of my trip to Guadalcanal, which was hot and humid, and I was taking a malaria medication that left me predisposed to sunburn more so than my incredibly pale nature already has me. And that long sleeve hooded moisture wicking shirt was actually fantastic to wear the whole time. So we have a very small number of short sleeve lightweight shirts as well, and we have two different styles of Chinese mystery pistol themed t-shirts. We have a Wowzer shirt and we have a Chinese mystery pistol shirt. So I have a link to the merchandise shop down in the description below. Actually, shop.forgottenweapons.com is a URL that I control. So right now it goes to the merch shop that has all of the Warren James merchandise in it, all the stuff that's on sale. Once everything's sold out, I'll just be redirecting that to the page, the landing page for Forgotten Weapons stuff at Varusteleka. So if you're paying close attention, you won't see that URL change, but the place it goes will change after this sale is over. So check it out. Thanks. We'll be back tomorrow with actually tomorrow is a cool video on a prototype Croatian machine pistol.